exam 3 solution. So the first one, we want to add, subtract. You see the subtraction, right? This one is a complex number. The real part is 11. The imaginary part is 6. And this is another complex number. The real part is 3. The imaginary part is 19. So we're subtracting. So we subtract real number with real number. So that's 11 minus 3. Then imaginary part with imaginary part. So that's 6i minus 19i. Because this is a minus 19i. 11 minus 3, that's 8. 6 minus 19, that's negative 13. So the real part is 8. The imaginary part is negative 13. Number 2, we want to find the domain of this rational function, and then we want to express it in interval notation. So the domain for rational expression, we consider the denominator. We said the denominator cannot be 0, because in mathematics, we don't divide anything by 0. So x minus 7 cannot be 0, that means x cannot be 7. So use the interval notation, see x can be any number but 7. So we express with this unit. Negative infinity up to 7, unit 7 up to positive infinity, not including 7. 6, we want to simplify, right? So I'm subtracting two numbers. So first we want to simplify. So we see 27. 27 can be think as 3 squared times 3, right? Because 9 times 3, 9 is 3 squared. And the x cubed is x times x squared. You see 3 squared, then square root. X squared, then square root. So that becomes, we had negative a before, right? Then we have 3x come out. Then under the square root sign, we have 3x. That's these two. So this one, we have 12 is 4 and 3. X cubed is the same thing, x and x squared. Well, 4 is 2 squared. So 2 squared, square root becomes 2, x squared, square root becomes x. So that's negative 7 times 2x. Then square root of 3x. Because 3x still under square root sign. Well, then negative 8 times 3, that's negative 24. X square root of x. Then minus 7 times 2x minus 14x square root of 3x. So I'm missing 3x. So the radical is 3x. And we have negative 24x, negative 14x. That adds to be negative 38x. And square root of 3x. C4. Or we have this rational expression, negative 2/3. Negative means we have 1 over 125 raised by positive 2/3. Then we can write this as 1 over. Well, 125 is 5 cubed, right? Then raised by 2/3. 2 layers of exponents, we multiply them. So I have 5 raised by 3 multiplied by 2 over 3. Well, 3 is 3 over 1. So that becomes 1 over 5 squared, right? Because this 3 cancel this 3. Then that's 1 over 25. Let's see, solve this for x. So first we move negative 3 to the other side. We have 7 square root of x plus 4 equals to 5 plus 3, that's 8. Then we divide by 7 on both sides. We have square root of x plus 4 equals a divided by 7. Then we square both sides. So I have x plus 4 equals to a squared 64, 7 squared 49. So x equals to 64 over 49 minus 4. Or minus 4, we need to change to have a denominator of 49. So that becomes 64 minus, or 49. 49 times 4, we can think as a 50 times 4, which is 200. 200 minus 4, right? That's 194 divided by 49. And that's negative 130 divided by 49. Oh, hold on. 4 times 49, we need to plus 49, is because we still have this 49, right? So there's 194 plus 49. So that's 134 plus, so this one, add 49 to it, so 179, so negative 179 over 49. Okay. Let's see this one. We want to simplify this. So both under the index 5, so we can put them together. And 27 is a 3 cube. Then x squared. So this is the 5th root. Then 9 is a 3 squared x cube. So under 5th root, so now we see 3 cube times 3 squared. That's a 3 raised by 5. Then x squared times x cubed, that's x raised by 5. Now, the exponent and the index are the same. So we just get a 3x. So this one we want to divide and simplify. So what do? We multiply by the conjugate of 7 minus 5, which is 7 plus 5i. Do the same for the numerator. Then the denominator becomes sums of 2 squared, 7 squared plus 5 squared. And the numerator we just multiply, so 6 times 7, 42. Then 3i times 5i, negative 3i times 5i is plus 15. Because I squared is negative 1, so negative become positive. Then minus 3i times 7, that's minus 21i. Then plus 5i times 6, that's 30i. So 42 plus 15, that's a 57. Over now 7 squared 49, 5 squared 25, so that becomes 74. Then 30i minus 21i, that becomes 9i divided by 74. So number 8, we want to simplify. Simplify, we put in the factored form. So 2 factors of negative 20 adds up to be 1. So that has to be 5 and negative 4. Then 2 factors of negative 8 adds up to be negative 2. Right. Then we see x minus 4 canceled. So this becomes x plus 5 divided by x plus 2 divided by this. Well, divided, we want to change the multiplication, then flip the numerator and denominator. Now, x plus 5, same factor. So I'm left with x minus 8 divided by x plus 2. Subtraction. Well, this denominator can be factored as x minus 1, x minus 4. So that means we want to multiply this with x minus 1 because we need a common denominator. Divide itself. By doing so, we have a common denominator of x minus 1, x minus 4. In the numerator, we have x squared, or minus 1x plus 4x, that's plus 3x. Minus 1 times 4, that's minus 4. Then this is a minus 3x minus 12. So that's simplified to be x squared, 3x, negative 3x cancel out, minus 16 divided by x minus 1, x minus 4. Well, x squared minus 16 is difference of two squares. That's x plus 4, x minus 4. Now, x minus 4 in the numerator, x minus 4 in the denominator. So left with x plus 4 divided by x minus 1. Well, let's see, solve this. The denominator is x minus 10, x minus 10, x minus 10. So the denominators are the same. So when the denominator is the same, we can just ignore the denominator. So 2x equals minus 3 minus 4, which is 3 minus 4 is just negative 1. We divide by 2 on both sides. So x equals negative half. Simplify this again. Well, the numerator we can factor as x minus 2, x minus 3. Right, because minus 2 plus minus 3, that's minus 5. Denominator is x minus 2, x plus 2. Well, x minus 2, x minus 2 simplified. So left with x minus 3 divided by x plus 2. Long division, we want to find the quotient and remainder using long division. So long division, we write the dividend, the numerator inside the sum, minus 15x squared minus 3x plus 9. Then 2x minus y, the divisor we write outside. So we need a 5x squared, right, to get a 10x cubed. We subtract this again, then multiply negative 1 with 5x, negative 5x squared. We subtract. When we subtract, those two become 0. Negative 15x squared minus negative 5x squared becomes negative 10x squared. Minus 3x, pull this one down, minus 3x. Now we need a negative 5x. Right, that gives us negative 10x squared plus 5x. We subtract. Subtract this to become 0. Negative 3x minus 5x, negative 8x. Then plus next one, 9. And we have negative 4 here. Because negative 4 times 2x gives us negative 8x. Then plus 4. So minus, this becomes 0, 9 minus 4, that's 5. So the quotient is 5x squared minus 5x minus 4. The remainder is 5. Let's see 13. Rationalize the denominator. So we want to multiply by its conjugate, 3 minus radical 7. In the numerator and in the denominator. Basically, we just multiply by 1. The numerator, we do 2 times 3, we get 6. Negative divided by 2 times negative divided by 7, that becomes positive divided by 14. Then negative divided by 2 times 3, that's minus 3 radical 2. Then minus 2. Then 2 times minus 7, so negative 2 radical 7. The denominator will have the first one square, 3 squared, which is 9, minus second one squared, root 7 squared is 7. So this becomes a 2. So that's it. And those 4 in the numerator cannot be combined. They are not like radicals. So we're done. Let's see 14. Pilar can bicycle 56 miles in the same time as it takes her to walk 20 miles. So she can ride 9 miles per hour faster than she walk. So how fast can she walk? Let's see, she can walk W miles per hour. Right. Then 56 is the distance divided by bicycling speed. What's his bicycling speed? It's 9 miles per hour faster than walking. So that's 9 plus W. Same time, distance over speed, right? So the time he used bicycling is 56 divided by 9 plus W. W is the walking speed. Then equals to 20 miles when she walks. Well, that's W. So now we just multiply, cross multiply. Okay, so we get 56W equals to 20 times 9 times plus W. So 20 times 9, 180. 20 times W is 20W. Subtract 20W or move 20W to the other side. 56W minus 20W, that's 36W equals to 180. Or W walking speed is 180 divided by 36. Well, I think that's 5, right? Because 18 goes to 36 twice, so 10 divided by 2, which is 5. So 5, so her walking speed is 5 miles per hour. Let's see, 15. 15 says if a 180-pound person can have 1,403 milligrams of a medicine in a day, how much can a 180-pound person have? Okay, so this is a ratio problem. 182 divided by 1403 equals to 180 pounds divided by, let's say, X. So cross multiply again, so we get 182 X equals to 180 times 1403. So both sides divided by 182. And we can press into calculator. So let me press into calculator. We have 180. I'm looking for my calculators. So 180 times 1403, then divided by 182. That's 1,387 something. So that's about, we can round it to 1,387.58 milligram. Let's say 16, 17. So 16 and 17 is the last one. So 16 says bundle can do a job in 6 hours. Right? So this bundle's speed is 1/6 work done problem. If she works with Israel together, they can get job done in 1/4 in 4 hours. So that means together the speed is 1/4. And how long would it take Israel to do the job? Let's say it takes Israel T hours. So 1/6 plus 1/T equals 1/4. Now we just have to solve for T. Right, we'll move 1/6 to the other side, becomes minus. So get this. Now we need a common denominator of 12. So multiply by 3/3, multiply 2/2. 3 minus 2 is 1, so that's 1/12. Well, that's 1/T equals 1/12. We flip over, T/1 equals 12/1. For over 1, you should just don't write it. So it's 12 hours. If Israel worked by himself, it would take him 12 hours to finish. Let's see 17. The wavelength of a radio wave varies inversely. So this is a keyword, right? So the wavelength, let's use L, equals to K divided by its frequency, F. It's called F. A wave with frequency, so K divided by 900 divided by frequency, it has length of 400. So that means K equals to 400 times 900. This is 36 followed by 4 zeros. So now what is the length? What's the length of the wave? When the frequency, so K now we know is 360,000. And when the frequency is 300, well, when we divide, we can both divide by 1,000. Now we have 3 goes into 12, it's 13, 12 times. So we have 1,200. So the length would be 1,200. And that's it. So that's the exam. That's the solution for today's exam, example 3.